Watch the slot man come out to the right. And there they go. As they go back over the top, they're going to come back around now for a photo pass for they have a model for you as they come by. So get ready to your cameras again. And we're going to listen in to the pilots here for a moment.
The start-finish hour. Let's just give them a top shot.
Yeah, they're turning back around now.
Here they come, buddy. Yeah. Look.
I'm going to step down and see if you go high forward.
And as you hear them fly around, talk to each other, the biggest command you hear every time they fly by is smoke on.